Hello children, let's start our classes with written work. So take out your copy children. Okay. Ask your parents to write the date, whatever the date is, and let them write UNN, SUN sun and BUN bun in one page, and in another page UT at and NUT nut and CUT cut. Okay. Come on. Write here small cursive U and small cursive N, UN un. Then small cursive S, small cursive U, small cursive N, S, U, N, sun. Then small cursive B, small cursive U, and small cursive N, B, U, N, bun. See here, U, N, un, S, U, N, sun, and B, U, N, bun. Okay, see here, U, N, un, SUN sun and BUN bun. UN un, SUN sun, BUN bun. UN un, SUN sun, BUN bun. UN un, SUN sun and BUN bun. UN un, SUN sun and BUN bun. You will join all the letters and write. Okay. You will not lift your pencil in between. See, UN un, SUN sun and BUN bun. Now come to the next page children. See here. Write small cursive U and small cursive T. UT at N U T NUT nut. Small cursive C, small cursive U and small cursive T, CUT cut. Okay, see here. UT at NUT nut and CUT cut. Okay, UT at NUT nut and CUT cut. 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 Okay children, you will join all the letters and write properly. You will not lift your pencil in between. Okay, and you will write in neat and clean writing. Okay. Now let's do U word reading. Okay, so take out Cardova Term 2 book, take out page number 48 and repeat after me children. Come on, say UB ab, TUB tub and CUB cub. Okay, again UB ab, TUB tub, CUB cub. This is a tub and this is cub. Next UG ug, MUG mug, CUP cup. UG ug, MUG mug, CUP cup. This is a mug and this is a cup. Next, UN, SUN, sun, BUN, bun. UN, SUN, sun, BUN, bun. This is a sun and this is a bun. UT, ut, NUT, nut, CUT, cut. UT, ut, NUT, nut, CUT, cut. This is a nut and the boy is cutting the grass or leaves. Okay children, now we will meet in the next video. Goodbye.